back to another raid. We're playing rifles. And today we're playing rank. And you want to play rifle with me? Type in your comment and I will add you and let's play. And you better like and subscribe. Waiting for sure. I will show you for my inventory. Like, and they delete a sniper. You should use Saber for rifles. That one is good. And you should use this because I can show you why. I'm not using aimball. I'm just good. Well, you should use this. But I can tell you about this. Got it? Talk too much. Free. It's 1-1. No way he just did that to me. I can tell you about this, guys. I did it. Also, dang. Fudge. Well, I want to get 50 subscribers, and then we start doing stuff. What is this guy doing? Look, and we lost. He disconnected. Well, it's okay who disconnected. Okay, well, who doesn't care and one people disconnect? Rocket launcher. Okay, I should get mech. I know one.
That was low.
Yeah. I use rocket launcher, guys. You know what rocket launcher is. Bro, God, you better sub. I see them. No, they were one shot. Lost. Well, bye, guys.
Like and subscribe.